Hi guys, I'm Canine Crooner Finn Austin there, and today I'm going to do a rant on rubbadubbers. If everyone who loves this show, I'll respect your opinion, as long as you respect mine. Enjoy the video. Rubbadubbers. What? More like dummies? Oh my gosh. This show sucks. And this show involves these stupid BAP toys, and they like to go on failure adventures together. Terrence is a stupid and an idiotic crocodile. Well, no one could ever give a crap about this stupid crocodile. And this pink purple thing, it's a stupid starfish. Well, this starfish, it looks like a spoiled brat. And this stupid submarine, well, no one could ever give a crap about this stupid submarine. And Reg is a stupid robot. And Reg is also stupid and an idiot. And this show also involves this stupid pink frog named Tub, whatever this stupid frog's name is. Yeah, this pink frog is also stupid too. And his voice is super annoying. And this show also involves a stupid whale named Waiuna. And this one looks like a stupid whale or a stupid dolphin. Well, Waiana is stupid and a spoiled brat. And this is a stupid shark. Yeah, and this shark dude is stupid. And yeah, and this shark dude is stupid. His RRR voice is super annoying. The plots of the show are pointless. The animations are horrible. The theme song is super annoying. The character moves are awkward or not studied. The animations is horrible. And do you know who loves this show? But I don't know who loves this show. But do you know who hates this show? Me. I am the only one who hates this show with a burning passion. So rubbadubbers stinks. And so does Bubble Guppies. Mutt and Stuff, my favorite show, is better than rubbadubbers. End of rant. If you have any requests about my rants, check on the comments below. This is me on my channel.